Can you cook hot dogs in a cast iron skillet and make them look as good as if they were grilled on a barbecue grill? Yeah, well, yeah, you can. And in this video, we're going to show you the best way to cook cast iron skillet hot dogs and get those grill marks just like if you was outside on a grill. How we do it is by cooking them in a large cast iron grill pan like this one right here. We've been working on this old grill pan. We got it seasoned up. We're going to put it on the stove top and heat it up. You know, hot dogs are one of my favorite meals because they're so easy to make. Unfortunately, a lot of meals take too long to make, and that's why I love making these cast iron skillet hot dogs. They're so easy to do, especially on a stove top. So let's get going. You guys ready? Let's make some hot dogs today. Okay, we got us 3 hot dogs here. I got a little bit of butter, some green bell pepper, and some onions also. But what we're going to do with these hot dogs, man, these hot dogs are great. We get these from Sam's. I'm just going to cut a few little slices in these so when they go to cooking, when they swell up, they don't bust and crack and all the juices come out of it. So just cut you a few little slices in that, just like that. And you can do both sides. That'd be all right. Just be sure and don't cut your finger, you know, that wouldn't be no good, would it? No, that wouldn't be no good at all. Okay, well, we got those cut, so we're going to get those ready for the pan. Let's get these babies on this grill pan and get some grill marks. Now, I said I had some butter here, so we're going to just kind of break that up a little bit and put a little butter down in this also. Nothing like butter with your hot dogs. And the great thing about that is you can also just grill you some onions right along with these hot dogs while they're cooking. And I like a little bell pepper too, so we'll throw a few bell pepper in here as well. And we'll let these dudes begin to cook. What the heck, let's just throw all this in here, huh? That's how I roll. We're going to let these cook and we'll be back here in just a minute and show you what all this looks like here. Let this butter and these onions and bell pepper hot dogs cook down. Well, these are cooking nicely. They're starting to get some marks on them, so that's great right there. But we'll let them cook down a little bit more. Of course, the thing about hot dogs, they're already pre-cooked, so you don't really have to cook them that hard. I got this bell pepper and onion sauteed down, man. They're getting real soft and translucent. I'll tell you what I'm going to do in the meantime. I'll probably have a couple hot dogs, so I think I'm just going to lay these on the onions here and the bell pepper and let them kind of steam while the onions and bell pepper continue to cook. We'll get a little bit more char on the hot dogs, and by the time we get the hot dogs ready, then the buns ought to be ready, right? Yeah, we'll let these buns kind of char up here in the bottom of this grill pan that has got some butter in it. Of course, got bell pepper and onion here, and the hot dogs look like they're coming along nicely. Getting a little char on them. Oh yeah, look at them grill marks. I'll let those buns soak up some of that butter, man, and kind of grill up on this grill pan. Okay, well, these hot dogs look like they're about done. Look at the char on that, off that grill pan. Got grill marks and everything, so you can grill hot dogs on a grill pan. And I also did my bun. I'm about to break that though. I also grilled my bun also, so we'll go ahead and get this plated up and we'll show you what this looks like. All right, folks, there we have it. Cast iron hot dogs on a grill pan. Man, those look so good. We just took a one pan and we grilled onions and bell pepper along with our hot dogs. Cut slits in these hot dogs so they wouldn't burst all the juices out of them. Even toasted our hot dog buns in the butter that was down in that grill pan. And man, they just look so good. You know what's next though? Man, I just got to try this. Look at that. Man, sorry my mouth's full, but that hot dog is so good and juicy. The bun is toasted. And of course the bell pepper and onions, man, you just can't ever go wrong with grilled bell pepper and onions. So there you have it, folks. If you want to make cast iron grilled hot dogs like this, that's how you do it. We appreciate you guys. Check this video out right here, and we'll see you over there. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. Wow. That's good stuff right there. I don't care who you are.